Number 5. Astro Pneumatic 1822. 450 feet per pounds of max torque. Extremely short profile, full length of less than 3 to 7/8 inches. Incredibly lightweight at 3.0 pounds. 3 forward and 3 reverse settings. Innovative twin hammer design. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. DeWalt DCF 889B. 400 feet-pound of maximum torque. Ergonomic handle provides user superior comfort and control. Variable speed trigger with electric brake provides user improved control. Durable magnesium gear case and all-metal transmission for extended durability. Bare tool, batteries, and charger sold separately. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Porter Cable PCE 211. 7.5 amp motor for heavy-duty applications. 450 feet lbs of torque. 2,200 RPM and 2,700 BPM for speed. 1/2 inches hog ring anvil for easy socket changes. /reverse rocker switch. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Ingersoll Rand 231C. Classic, reliable design offers proven power, performance, and durability. Twin hammer mechanism delivers a maximum torque of 600 foot-pounds. Adjustable power regulator provides easy control of torque output. Ergonomic two-piece design is easy to operate and maintain. Arrives fully lubricated and ready for use out of the box. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Aircat 1150 killer. Sheer power and performance of 1295 feet-pounds. 1400 blows per minute. 15% larger rotor creates unmatched power. Patented quiet technology at 86 decibels. 2-year parts and labor warranty. Please check the description for details and best price.